morning everyone. So let us start our class. So in the previous class we have discussed about the four properties by which we will prove the congruency of the triangles. Okay, so now let us discuss one by one property. Okay, so the first one was what? Side, side, side. The first property was side, side and side. S, S, S. This was the first property. Okay, so now, so how to prove by this property? Very simple property, that say if this is one triangle and say this is another triangle, this is one triangle, say triangle 1, this is another triangle, say triangle 2. So okay, if I can say that, or if I can show that this side is equal to this side, okay, say for example 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, okay, and if I can say that this side is equal to this side, and if I can show that this side is equal to this side, means I have shown all the three sides of this triangle is equal to three sides of this triangle. This side, this side, this side is this side, and this side is with this side. Then I can say what? That triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2 by what property? By side, side, side. By side, side and side. So this is what your side, side, side property. Okay, SSS property. If you can show in two triangles that all the sides, all the corresponding sides are equal, then those two triangles will be what? Those two triangles will be congruent. Now let us see the next property. Side angle side. Number 2, side angle and what? Side. SAS. Okay. So say for example this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Now if I can see, okay, there is two side and one angle is there, okay. So if I can show that this side is equal to this side, okay, I have shown what? This side is equal to this side. And if I can show that this side is equal to this side, done, two side done, okay. Say 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, okay. But about this side, say I don't know, means I can't prove it by SSS property. I don't know about these two sides, okay. If these two sides also I could have proved, then so it is SSS, side, side, side. But say for example these two sides I don't know, okay. Then what I will do, say for example I need one angle, then which angle I need to prove it SAS? Which angle? Which angle? You see, this angle or this angle. So in the last class I have said while writing SAS that the angle should be in between, okay. You write this thing in your notebook, okay, because this will be helpful to you. Remember, in side angle side, the angle must be between the sides. This is compulsory, okay. This is compulsory. The angle cannot be anywhere else place, okay. It has to be between the what? Sides. Between two sides the angle should stay. So what is, this is one side, this is one side. So where should be the angle? The angle should be between the sides. Over here. See this side, what is the between angle? This is the between angle. Okay. So this angle, if I can show equal to with this angle, say this angle, if I have shown equal to with this angle, then I can say what? The triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2 by what? SAS. Understood? The angle should be in between. Say for example, this is one triangle, this is another triangle. Say we have shown this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to what? This side, and suppose you have shown this angle is equal to this angle, then mind it will not become side angle side, okay. then you cannot say that this is congruent. This is wrong. This is not congruent. Why? Because these are the two sides. What is the angle in the between these two sides? Which angle will be between these two sides? This angle should be between these two sides, isn't it? This angle and this angle. But we have shown which one? This angle. This angle is not between these two sides. So it will not become SAS. So for SAS, whenever you will solve any question, and if you see there are two sides and one angle, so once you make sure that whether that angle is between the sides or not. Okay. Yes, in easy questions you will always get it between the sides, but in higher class, in class 10 or say any difficult question, sometimes you will see what? That the angle is not between the sides. You will get like that one question you will get. Not now. Afterwards in some other chapter you will get. So mind it, the angle should be between the two sides. Then it will become what? SAS. Say for example, one more last example I am giving. Say for example, this is one triangle and this is one triangle. Say I have said this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Then which angle I need to make it SAS? Obviously this angle, isn't it? The angle between these two sides is what? This. Which is the common angle between these two sides? This angle, isn't it? So I need this angle. Say in other way, if I ask the question say like that. Say for example, this is the triangle. This is the triangle. Now I have shown this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, done. And I have said this side is equal to this side. Okay. What I have said? This angle is equal to this angle. This side is equal to this side. Now which side I need to make this one SAS? So see, the angle should be between the sides, isn't it? So this is one side. The other side will be what? The other side will have to be what? This one. This side. Then only this angle will be between the two sides. So this is the simple property of SAS, that the angle should lie between the two sides. Okay. Done. Forget about it. See one more now. Number 4, not number 3. Okay, directly number 4, because there is a slight confusion between number 3 and number 4. That is side angle side and right angle hypotenuse side. So let us see at first right angle hypotenuse side. That is right angle hypotenuse right angle. Okay, sorry, right angle. Right angle hypotenuse side. In short, we write what? RHS. Right angle hypotenuse side. See what is the confusion? Right angle is a angle, hypotenuse is a side, and side is definitely a what? Side. So this is like same with SAS. SAS. So here comes the mistake. There is a difference between SAS and right angle hypotenuse side. First difference is very simple, that it has to be a what? Right angle triangle. This is the first thing. If it has to be RHS, then it has to be right angle, that is right angle triangle. That is compulsory, otherwise it will not work. Okay. Okay, so now say right angle hypotenuse side. So this angle will always be equal to this angle, 100% same, isn't it? Because this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and 90 degree, 90 degrees will always same only, na? So this angle is compulsory, this is always equal to what? Other angle, and it has to be 90 degree. Then only this property will be in active. Still now we cannot say that this is RHS, okay? So this angle is equal to this angle, done. Then hypotenuse, compulsory. Say hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse I have explained in the last class. What is hypotenuse? The side opposite to the 90 degree, okay? Isn't it? Now next, any side. Any side, that's why it is written as what? Side. It can be base also, it can be perpendicular also. So say for example, this side is equal to what? This side. Then what we can say? That triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2 by what? By RHS. What? right angle hypotenuse side. So this is your RHS. It has to be 90 degree, okay? Otherwise, R means right angle. So you need one right angle, okay? With 60 degree, this will not work. Because if it is not 90 degree, then there is no hypotenuse. Okay? Done. So now, where is the problem? The problem is over here, you see. Say this is one triangle. And this is one triangle. Now I have said, okay, the right angle are always equal, 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. This angle is equal to this angle, always equal, this angle is equal to this angle. Next I have said this side is equal to this side. Done. Next I have said this side is equal to what? This side. Now what happens in the questions or in the exam also, you say students often write this as what? RHS. This is not right angle hypotenuse side, okay? It looks like this is RHS, but this is not RHS. This is actually what? See, side, side, and the angle is in between. This is nothing but what? Over here, the triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2 by what? SAS. So this looks like RHS, but this is actually SAS. So you have to be sure that the angle is where? If the angle is in between, then it is 100% SAS. And if the angle is not in between, you see over here, these are the two sides. These are the two sides. The angle should have been what? Over here. But you see the angle is not in between. And it is right angle. So it is what? RHS. So simple difference, if you notice over here, in your RHS, your this 90 degree will never be in between the two sides. Always, never be in the between, never it will be between the two sides. Simple thing, see. See, say for example, these are the two sides. You will never get over here 90 degree. And say for example, say this hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse and this two side is equal. Now you will never get 90 degree over here also. Because 90 degree will lie where? Here only. See again, here this angle will never be between these two sides. Okay. But if it stays between these two sides, then hypotenuse will not come. And if 90 degree is between the two sides, then hypotenuse will not come. And if hypotenuse comes, then 90 degree will never be between the two sides. See the difference? Hypotenuse is there. Then the angle 90 degree is not between the two sides. Hypotenuse is not there, then the right angle is between the two sides. So this is the difference. If hypotenuse is there, 90 degree is there, 100%, this is what? This is RHS, compulsory, okay? And if hypotenuse is not there, 90 degree will be between the two sides, then it will become what? SAS. This is the simple difference, okay? So done. Difference clear, problem solved. What is the difference between SAS and RHS? Okay, so while solving the question, you will have to check that whether my angle is in between or not. And remember, to show congruent, you need three conditions. Okay, three conditions like that. One condition, second condition, third condition. One condition, second condition, third condition. Without three condition, you will not get your full marks. 0 you will get. Okay. Even if you show only two condition, if you have not shown the third condition, you cannot say that the triangles are congruent. Done. Now let us see the fourth one. Sorry, third one actually. Fourth one done. Fourth one done. Let us see the third one now. Third one was what? Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. That is what? ASA. Now, why I have said like that? That in angle, side, angle, if you have seen the last class, then I have said that over here, side, if it does not stay also, then also it is okay. Means over here it is not compulsory that the side will be between. But in SAS, it is compulsory that the angle will be between the sides. But over here, it is not compulsory that the side will be between the angles. Why like that? I will show you. So that's why there was another one property, that name what I have given. Angle, angle, and then what? Side. Isn't it? One more name I have given what? AAS. Means what? the side is not between the angle, but then also it is okay. But like this we cannot write. Say SSA. Like this we cannot write. The angle should be between the sides. Okay. So why this is possible? Now we will going to see. Okay. So say for example, this is one triangle, this is another triangle. Very simple. If I say this angle is equal to this angle, and if I say this angle is equal to this angle, then which side shall I have to pick? Which side? See, the side is in between. So which side I will pick? This side, isn't it? This is the side between these two angles. Then what I can say? That triangle 1 is congruent to what? Triangle 2. Clear? Say for example, I have choose this angle is equal to this angle, and then this angle is equal to what? This angle. Then which side shall I pick? Obviously between these two angles, which side is there? This side. So I have to say this side is equal to what? This side. Then it will become what? Angle, side, angle. Say in a different way. Say this is one triangle. This is another triangle. Say for example, I have taken this angle is equal to this angle. I have taken this side is equal to this side. Then which angle shall I pick so that it will become angle, side, angle? Obviously, see, the side should be between this angle and one another angle. So what will be the angle? Obviously this one, isn't it? Obviously this one. Then only this side will be between the two angles, isn't it? So then I can say angle, side, angle. So triangle 1 will be congruent to triangle 2 by what? ASA. So understood? Very simple. This is what? Angle, side, angle. Now you see this one over here. What I have said over here. Say for example, this angle is equal to what? This angle. Done. And I have said that this angle is equal to what? This angle. Now say for example, in any question, you are not able to show that this side is equal to this side. You are unable to show that one, okay? And you have shown what? This side is equal to this side. Now you see, between these two angles, this is not the side which is between these two angles, okay? This should have been the side, isn't it? This side is not in between. But still we can say what? Triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2 by what? AAS. Only the simple thing what? You don't write the S in the middle. Only the simple thing that much. But this will be congruent. You can show this side also. I can show like this also, okay? So this is one triangle. This is one triangle. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. And say for example, this side is equal to this side. Then also these two triangles will be congruent. You see? So doesn't matter whether the side is in between or not. That is the simple logic over here. Why that one? I will show just now. And keep in mind one more thing I have said in the last class, that to be congruent, if you have to show that the two triangles are congruent, then at least one side is necessary. At least one side is necessary. In exam, don't do like that, okay? Don't do like that. Say angle, angle and angle. There is no property such that to be that the triangles are congruent, okay? There is no property like that. So don't ever do this one, okay? Now I will show you why it is said that the side may not stay in between. Why, you see now? Because if two angles are equal, then anyhow that side will be between the two angles. How? Very simple. You see, say for example, this is one triangle and this is one triangle. This is one triangle and this is one another triangle, okay? Say for example, this is one triangle and this is one another triangle. So now you see, say for example, we have shown that this angle is equal to what? This angle. Say we have shown like that, this angle is equal to this angle. This one is equal to this angle. Then I have shown this angle is equal to this angle. and I have shown what? This side is equal to this side. Now definitely the side is not between the angles. No, the side is between the two angles. That's why these properties are correct. How? You see, say this angle is 30 degree. This angle is how much? 30 degree. Now since this angle is equal to this angle, then this angle will also be what? 30 degree. Say for example, this angle is say 70 degree. Say for example, this angle is 70 degree. Now since this angle is 70 degree, this angle will also be what? 70 degree. Understood? Now in the last chapter, what property we have learned? Angle sum property. Two angles of a triangle is there. Can I find the third angle? Definitely by angle sum property I can find what? I can find the third angle. So how I will find? This angle plus this angle plus this angle is how much? 180 degree. So say 30 degree plus 70 degree plus say this is A, B, C, this is say P, Q, R plus angle C will be how much? 180 degree. Done. Which implies 70 plus 30, 100 degree plus angle C will be 180 degree, which implies angle C will be 180 minus 100, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 80 degree. That means what? This angle will be what? 80 degree. Now just follow one thing. In this triangle also, if I apply angle sum property, this angle will be how much? Again same thing, na? This angle will also be how much? 80 degree only. Again same thing, 30 degree plus 70 degree plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. This value will also come as what? As it is same, 30, 70, 30, 70. So this angle will be what? 80 degree only. So what is my point? My point is very simple. That if two angles of a triangle are equal, then the third angle, it is compulsory to be equal. Compulsory. If this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, then 150% sure that the third angle is also equal. That is compulsory. Okay, this is the first point. Now you see, if the third angle is also equal, then you see this side. This was the side which was creating the problem, isn't it? Then you see this side is between these two angles, 30 degree and 80 degree. Now I can say that this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is between the two angles. That means what? Angle side angle. So anyhow, if your two angles are equal, your side will always be where? In between. Say for example this side, then also correct. This angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is what? Again between the two sides. Understood? So the clear point is what? If two angles are equal, then the third angle is also equal. And if all the three angles are equal, then the side will always be between the two angles. Between any two angles. The side can be between these two angles also. The side can be between these two angles also. And the side can be between these two angles also. So this is your 4 properties to prove that the triangles are what? Similar. Now we can start exercise, okay? Just one more minute. What I have said, that you cannot prove by what? Angle. This property is not there. Why this property is not there? You see. Say for example, this is a triangle, equilateral triangle, okay? 60 degree, and how much? 60 degree. I have said, I think so in division exercise, that all the angles of an equilateral triangle is how much? 60 degree, isn't it? An equilateral triangle, in an equilateral triangle where all sides are equal, the angles are what? Always 60 degree, compulsory. Say for example, this is another equilateral triangle. Say over here the side is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Over here the side is 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. This is an equilateral triangle only. And if it is an equilateral triangle, then this will be how much? 60 degree, and how much? 60 degree. So if you show that the angles are 60, all the angles are equal, this angle equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, then it is not sure that the triangles will be what? Congruent. See, this is such a small triangle, 5 centimeter, and this is such a big triangle, 50 centimeter. Does these two triangles even they look to be similar or what? 110% we can say by looking also that these two triangles are not similar. So angle is by three angles you cannot show. Side is compulsory. What I am saying, side is what? Compulsory. You have to show a side that the side is equal. Since your no side is equal, so what? By angle you cannot show that the two triangles are what? Congruent. Understood? So what is the main point? I think so in last class I have written, and if I have not written you can write that side of a triangle is compulsory to prove congruence of the triangle, or sides of the triangles are compulsory to prove the two triangles are congruent. Okay, let us see then. Let us start one question from your exercise. From next class directly we will move to the exercise. Okay, just one question today. Take out exercise 7.1 and let us see the first question of this exercise. Okay, the first question you see, in quadrilateral ABCD, diagram it is given. You can see the diagram, but it is better if you understand the diagram also. Okay, in quadrilateral ABCD, ACBD. Okay, ACBD. So this is the quadrilateral. ACBD. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a figure that has four sides. Quad means what? Quad means four. In mobile phones also you have seen quad core processor. Means what? There are four cores in the processor. Okay. So quad means what? Quad means four. Okay. So quadrilateral means a figure that has four sides. Okay. So in quadrilateral ACBD, I am drawing as it is like the book. Okay. ACBD. You draw from the book only. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to what? AC is equal to AD. Sorry, AC is equal to what? AD. Then what? Then what is given in the question? And AB bisects angle A. This AB bisects what? Angle A. Now what does bisects mean? I have said in chapter 6, isn't it? Several times bisect. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about the side BC and BD? Okay. So let us start the question. So at first, number 1, given. First you write given what? ACBD. Don't write ABCD, okay? ABCD. No, you should be serial. ACBD or ADBC, like that. It should be serial. Okay. Don't write ABCD like that. So ACBD is a what? Is a quadrilateral. ACBD is what? A quadrilateral. Where what? What is given? AC is equal to what? AD. AC is equal to what? AD it is given. One more thing is given, that AB bisects what? Angle A. What does bisects mean? Bisects means divide equally in two parts, isn't it? I have said in the last video also, in the last question also, there was angle bisector. This is also angle bisector only. So what does it mean? That AB is bisecting angle A. That means this angle is equal to what? This angle. So that only will write, since AB bisects angle A, so what we can write? That this angle is equal to this angle. That means what? Angle CAB. Angle CAB will be equal to angle BAD. Understood? This angle is equal to this angle, so you write the name angle CAB, this upper angle, angle BAD, this below angle. Done. Since AB bisects angle A, so this angle is equal to this angle. Now what we have to prove? To prove what? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. To prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. Okay. And one more thing it is said, what can you say about the side BC and BD? At last we will say, okay. So prove, this is a very simple question, okay. This one it is very simple. So how to start, sorry this is congruent. How to start to prove two triangles are congruent? At first you will name the triangles, okay, this way. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, at first you see what? In these two triangle, you see these two triangle, okay, this is ABC, this is ABD. What are equal? What are the things that are equal? So very clearly I can see in this triangle, this AC and in this triangle, this AD is what? Equal. So I can say what? AC is equal to what? AD. AC is equal to AD. Why? Because it is what? Already given in the question. Done. Next one is what? In these two triangles, if you find difficulty, actually this diagram is very easy, but still if you find difficult, you can draw two separate triangle. Say this is one triangle ACB and this is another triangle like that. This is what? ADB. Now you see this side is equal to this side. It is already given in the question, written. Next what is given? That this angle is equal to this angle, isn't it? This angle is equal to this angle, already given. Bisector. So angle CAB is equal to angle BAD. What? Again you can write given. So see, one side we have showed, one angle I have showed, okay. One more it is necessary. That one more is your homework. So let me see how many of you can find the third one. The third one can be a side also. The third one can be a angle also. In the question, two things are given. In all the questions, two things will be given and one thing you have to find by yourself. One thing you have to find by yourself, what is equal in here. So that is your homework. If you can do, it is very good. If you cannot do, then also I will solve in the next question, don't worry. But still just this is a homework. I will do in the next class, for sure I will do in the next class, okay. So today I will stop here. I have to make other videos also of other class. So you try what will be the third angle or what will be the third side. So you see in these two triangles, if you find difficulty, you draw them separately and you see what is equal. Whatever it is there, it is very simple. Nothing it is difficult. If it would have been difficult, I would have not given homework, okay. So it is simple only. You just give it a try. So in the next class, again I will discuss, okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.